Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Even though today's video is very short, the message behind it is super special and huge. We want to congratulate our friend Ginger from Gels and Gems Nails for graduating from nail school. We are so proud of her. We decided to do this special collab. Thanks again to Guylene for putting together this special collab. At the end, I'll have a picture of Guylene's manicure and also Francis from Dolphin Chick Nails. We wanted to do something pink and sparkly and beautiful for Ginger. But since my nails are so short, it was kind of difficult coming up with a beautiful design like the ones that she creates on her channel. So I went ahead and did this, which is a simple pink manicure with pink flowers and other beautiful designs stamped on it. These are the polishes that I used and the stamping plate. And of course, to finish off, I added a little bit more sparkle. Congratulations, Ginger, we're so happy for you. This is the end of the manicure. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!